ridiculously windy day at the Outer Banks. Welcome to Fishtasy.
There, shit. Right there. There he is. Been messing with him for a minute. Let me see.
Oh, there's a wake up down there.
It goes down. Bam! And it hits something. How's that even possible? Never seen one like that. I don't know what happened. Something broke, I don't know what. No, it didn't.
Oh, it's a line. Look.
Ah, that's what broke.
Line.
Somebody else's crap broke. Well, at least you didn't lose your crap. You was hung on somebody else's.
And their line was long enough to reach the bottom.
Or it just was going up and through it. That's wild. Oh, stick him. That's a good one, I bet. Or at least a keeper. But yeah. Nice. 12 incher, 13. Oh, dang. Broke his jaw. What do you mean?
It's like a feel of it.
The growth. Yeah, you got like a little dangly. It looks like a lip. You can tell it used to be part of that, but it got pulled off and regrew.
That's a decent sized fish right there.
Mine's 12. Yours is 13 or 14. 13. Look at that. Come on, fish. Oh, that's fun. That was a keeper. After catching all those sheepshead last night, we didn't want to sit there and 20 inches long on this guy, so big, huge sheepshead. We're gonna fillet him up right here. These scales are like armor, and that's why I like to use electric fillet knife. I'm using the stiff blade on the Bubba Blade electric fillet knife with the stiff blade on it. Make a cut halfway down right here behind the head. Get that started. Once you get it started, you're just going to glide down. Then you're going to push the knife in that original cutting blade. You're going to go all the way to the backbone and to the ribs. So you ain't going to cut through the ribs. So once you've made that cut, come in behind the rib cage. Come out. Finish that cut out. So you've got all that belly meat. Now, you want to come up to the ribs. Angle your knife up and come up and over those ribs. You do not want to cut through the ribs. So now I'm just cutting. See, that's all rib cage there. I'm just kind of gliding up. And we'll just pull this off. So now there's the fillet. See, we've got all the way down to the bone. We'll start up here in front of the fillet. It's already starting to separate, so I'm getting a nice little starting point here. Look how thick that skin is, like armor. First thing I want to do is trim any rib bones that you might have accidentally went through. Trim that away, so that's rib bones there. Cut your fillet in half, right down the bloodline. That bloodline off. Like that. Now with this, you're getting bloodline and pin bones out right there. It's all bloodline pin bones, and you're finished with 2 halves of fillet. We got the other size fish to go. We're going to knock out. Brought home 20 of them. Knock these out. And that's it. Thanks for sticking with us. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll catch you on the next one.